Did you know the moon just got a new freckle? It's really cute, brand new cur? That's right. The list of dents on our moon's surface just got a little longer. Recently, the team behind NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO for short, announced they'd spotted something new. Using their high-powered cameras orbiting the moon, they found a crater that wasn't there before. So, how big is this new cosmic pothole? It's about 72 feet across, which is roughly the length of a bowling lane. Scientists believe it was formed time between late 2009 died on Zoondorf. 2012. The impact happened just north of a larger, well-known feature called Römer crater. What's really cool is how it looks. When whatever it was slammed into the moon, it blasted bright material out from the center, creating these incredible sunburst-shaped rays. A telltale impact over millions of years, the harsh environment of space. A process called space weathering will cause these bright rays to darken and eventually blend in with the surrounding grey lunar soil, or regolith. Now, finding new craters isn't exactly a rare event. Since the LRO mission began back in 2009, scientists have catalogued over 200 new impact sites. It's a dynamic environment up there. Sometimes, we even cause the craters ourselves. Just last year, the LRO spied of Krashenifivde, leaving a distinct, human-made mark on the lunar surface. But each new discovery, whether natural or artificial, is a valuable piece of a much larger puzzle. So, why does finding one more small crater, a freckle as the science team called it, even matter? Well, it's incredibly important for a few key reasons. First, it helps scientists understand the current impact rate on the moon. How often is the moon getting hit by space debris? Knowing this helps us model the risks not just for the moon, but for Earth as well. It also helps us study how craters age and degrade over time, giving us clues about the moon's long and violent history. But perhaps the most urgent reason is safety. We are entering a new golden age of lunar exploration. NASA's Artemis program is gearing up to send astronauts back to the moon for the first time in over 50 years. Their goal is to establish a long-term présence, which means we need to know the landing zones are safe. Planners are meticulously studying potential landing sites, especially near the moon's south pole. They have to consider everything: communication links with Earth, the roughness of the terrain, and even the tricky, long shadows that can hide dangers. They're also worried about things like moonquakes. Imagine planning a billion-dollar mission only to have your lander tip over into an unexpected, freshly formed crater. It could be disastrous. Every new crater we find is another data point that helps us build a more accurate and up-to-date map of the lunar surface. It's like updating the GPS before a long road trip. The more we know about our moon's dented and scarred body, the better prepared we'll be for our return. These discoveries ensure that when our astronauts finally step back onto the lunar surface, they can do it as safely as possible. The moon is an ancient, silent world, but it's still changing, and we're finally able to watch it happen in real time. What do you think is the most exciting part about returning to the moon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic update, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space news.